by slicing up some beef really thinly, like as thin as you want to be. Add it to a bowl and marinate with soy sauce, chopped spring onions, diced garlic, chicken stock, and some fresh ground black pepper. Get in there with your hands and make everyone be friends. Place in the fridge to marinate overnight. The next day, fry some onion and capsicum in olive oil until all brown and caramelized like they just spent a week in the Bahamas. To the same pan, add the marinated beef. Do it in batches so the meat doesn't stew and go tough. Let sizzle in all those delicious flavours. Add the onions and capsicum back along with some macaroni that you've only boiled partially so it doesn't fall apart when stir frying. Do you really want to be known as the person with the soggy pasta? Add 2 big dollops of tomato paste, more soy sauce, this is after all an Asian dish, and sriracha because #sriracha is life supposedly, and a sprinkle of sugar. Give it all a bit of a mixeroo. Add a quartered tomato and cook until the tomato begins to soften like the little bitch it is. Dish up and enjoy. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button.